What's for Dinner is brought to you by Food and Beverage Atlantic.
Welcome back. We're about to find out what's for dinner tonight with the Kilted Chef.
Maple Potato Cuisine. It's going to be great.
Okay.
I took some, we both love these potatoes because we throw them in the microwave, a couple minutes, 6 minutes. It comes out, it's super hot. And then what you do is you add usually your butter and your mixture.
Yes.
I'm reversing it a little bit.
Okay.
So I took the potatoes out.
Yep.
And they're cooled a little bit. And I'm going to cut them in 4. Just like this. I'm going to make a great salmon, light, fun salad.
Awesome. Okay.
Yeah. So to the potatoes, I'm going to add some eggs. And I'm going to take that opportunity to add the sachet that's inside, which is the maple sachet.
Yes, the maple one. This one is so delicious.
And some melted butter, right? Which is what you do usually.
Yep.
Just like that.
You're zhuzhing it.
I'm just making it happen. Look, some asparagus tips.
Awesome. Are they cooked or no?
They're cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're blanched.
Okay.
And some of your favorites, some red onions.
You know I love onions.
A little bit of capers.
Oh.
Capers, salmon. Makes sense? And then from there, I'm going to add a little tiny bit of mayonnaise.
It's almost like a fancy potato salad in a way, kind of.
That is correct.
Yes.
That is correct.
I'm into it.
The W.B. Griffin out of PEI do these little potatoes. So you look at these potatoes yourselves, and there's no way they're coming from here, but they are local as possible. And look, there's a little lime zest,
Perfect.
which adds a little component of flavor.
This. Yes.
And then cut your lime in half and give it a good squeeze. Look, that'll enhance the salad even more.
And are you going to put the salmon right on top or cut it up? Or
You could do both ways. That's why I did what I've done. For the presentation plate, I've got the salad all done, all mixed up.
Yeah.
And you don't want to toss the salmon in there too quickly because you want to make sure it's nice and cold before you do it.
Yeah.
So when you're cooking your salmon, you want to make sure your salmon, it's okay if your salmon is a little pink on the inside, but you want to make sure if you're making a salad like this that it's cooked all the way through. So I did some chunks just to add some chunks on top. So I get these beautiful salmon fillets. And look, I've got a little rosemary that I cooked it with, and a little bit of salt and pepper, and olive oil. That's all I really did. And then you just lightly toss it so everybody gets a spoonful of goodness.
Yeah.
Look, the happy goodness that this is. And it's ready to go, Katie.
Yeah, this is perfect for this time of year. I love it. The recipe will be on our website. It's also on the QR code on your screen. We have to thank Food and Beverage Atlantic, and we have to thank you, as always.
Well, it's always fun to be able to cook with you, of course. And I think this is perfect for the barbecue.
Yeah, totally. And these potatoes,
Yeah.
you can get them at Sobeys.
And if you're not a salmon fan, add some chicken.
Absolutely.
Or add some beef or sausage, or whichever you prefer.
For sure. Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Chef.
You're welcome.
See you next time.
See you next week.